Okay, guys, we're doing a rut now, or whatever. A hill climb, miniature hill climb.
And guys, I tried to dig some of that up, and here's what happened to my shovel. Somehow it got bent, as you can see, bent right here. Yeah,
Yep.
I don't know how it bent.
While he was trying to shovel up something like some ground or something,
And
while
yeah,
Tyson
bent like crazy.
was on his dirt bike, talking up to the camera.
About it.
You were on your dirt bike. What is it?
It's a 110cc Yamaha.
It's a 110cc Yamaha. Listen to the exhaust. Now put your hand on it. Rip to the headphone users. Turn down your volume.
Are you live?
No. Not live right now, but it's a recording video. Okay, Ty. Do this downhill. No, not yet. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna get some action of him sliding. Yep, that's how slick it is in Cosby Tennessee. We'll do the afterwards, Gage. No acting in the background. Unless you're being interviewed.
Monkey. So we're gonna have like a whole YouTube.
Yeah, this is already recording.
We'll mix that up over there.
No.
We're gonna be out here for quite a while, y'all.
Okay, Ty.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Action. Do it. Yep. Not too late. Too late.
God darn it.
Huh?
Not in a good mood.
Sewers, that's a creek.
Whatever. Goodbye, viewers.
He's going probably all the way through. What was that for, Ty? Trying to find a way to get down. Never mind.
Hey.
Yo.
I would jump it, but there's a lake right there. Yeah.
Okay, this is off of my phone. We cannot do a live video. But we can do an upload. So what are we doing in this video?
Huh?
What are we doing in this video?
Probably just watching me ride.
Well, there's a four-wheeler over there, probably can't see. Somewhere over there.
Did you see?
Yep, somewhere. Right there.
Did you see Levi's big rut?
Somewhere over there. Right there.
Did you
The
see
freak?
Levi's big rut? Do you see Levi's big rut?
Where?
Right there, that big old hole?
Dang.
Yeah, he did that.
How? Don't run over me. Yo, what? It's not wet. It's watery wet. Okay, where's that rut?
The rut's right there.
Oh, there it is. Woo! Holy moly! You all might not know how deep it is, but it's deep. Yep, it's deep.
Yeah,
Let's test it.
You want me to put it on this side?
Nope.
See how this side ain't wet? I'm sticking it. The deepest part. Right here. Running bottom. Now,
Let's try scooting it out towards the other.
Tyson's gonna ride his dirt bike in this. It can't be up to here. If you want me to scoot it out,
Try to scoot it out a little bit more. Just a hair.
oh, so not this far. Like right here.
Like down towards us. A little more up, farther to the right. To the left. Right there.
Ow. Look. Ugh.
Yeah, he ain't going through that.
No way. You want me to check it from in the sewer?
No.
Or not sewer, but wait, hold up. No, I'm doing it. Get me
Not
going
want to.
on film. Guys, I'll be going in that tunnel. Not one stick. Crack that stick.
Oh, dear
and
God.
the plug. 4 sticks. Just here.
Okay, guys. He's going in the covert for absolute no reason. And it's quite big for us or him.
Oh God, that's cold.
Yep. He got his foot wet. Highly recommend not doing that. Highly recommended. Highly recommended to the viewers.
Yeah, don't do that, guys. It's cold as heck.
When it's like 30-something degrees out. What? What? You could have just went over and over. Hee ha ha ha.
I'm getting in the rut. Up to my knee.
Very funny.
This is up to my fucking knee. What the heck? Staircase right there.
Where did he go? Where is he?
I can't
Where did Tyson go?
Where'd he go?
Where did he go? He left us.
Yeah, he did. Where did he go?
Okay, guys, we're going to end this video off here. Tune in to next time.
Yeah,
Peace.
See you next time, guys. Peace.